Welcome back to the Pneumatic Lab. Today I will rebuild my can smasher one more time, and I thought it would be great to film it because this short is my almost most popular, so I will make from this like SMR video also. I guess let's start it. Whew, okay. I make my adjustments. Basically, it was more like I want to recover this piston rod because if you can see it, it's like in the angle. But what I did is not helped. There is this bolt screw inside, and it seems when it goes in, it's like move a little bit, and so this piston rod is coming wobbly. Here also. I screwed it back a little bit badly, or not so good as previous time, because you can see here it's like some distance between these two parts, but I think it won't go anywhere, and I will rebuild it soon enough again, so I think it's not a big problem. Also, yes, this time I messed up with the direction of cylinder, so this is back part now is in the front, but maybe even this is more interesting because yeah, we can see what I can adjust. And also I make holes for this sensor because I think next step will be make this system with bistable valve. One signal will be from this sensor, second signal will be from momentum push button. So this is how we will go to automation, maybe next step. But this works. Yeah, only this screw, I think I need to tighten it a little more. Slap 10. Can I? No, I can't. A little bit better, but since you can see here that it's going always, almost lost my finger. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you next video. Please like, subscribe if you like this video, and yeah, next time we will automate our can smasher, or just smasher at this point, with proximate sensor. And yeah, see you around.